This led to some controversy, as it allowed players at max level to easily fly into content in the 5 new zones at Deephollow, Mount Hyjal, Twilight Highlands, Uldum, and Vashj'ir, without being max level and having leveled through all these questing contents first. From a technical perspective, it makes sense that flying would be unlocked for both continents as a whole, since they're on a huge server and almost all the new Cataclysm zones themselves are on Kalimdor and the Eastern Kingdoms. However, Blizzard did listen to feedback, and Cataclysm remains the only expansion which allowed players to be able to immediately fly when it first launched. Of course, even today, WoW servers cannot fit all of the zones into the game onto one map, so it's no surprise some smaller zones in Cataclysm, such as Tol Barad, were limited to ground mounts. This makes sense from both a gameplay and logistics sense.